Hello everybody, good afternoon, morning, evening to you, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. So it's a brand new year. Hopefully this year will be a better year than last in terms of profit making. Yes, I feel like this year could be a down year for Bitcoin, so I'm not so sure how it's going to affect all the other altcoins. I think more likely than not, the direction would be down for everyone. It's just that Bitcoin feels bearish to me. So if more likely than not, if Bitcoin falls, more likely than not, everybody is going to fall together with Bitcoin. So yeah, be very, very careful about staying in a trade too long for any of your altcoins, because it is nobody knows exactly how much higher things are going to go. Anyway, we're going to be starting this week's top 50 with AAVE. Let's go, boys. Let's go. So for AAVE against BTC, it's not good. It's not good, boys and girls. It's just not good. I think more likely than not, we should be hitting the skinny pink line. We're heading towards the skinny pink line. My guess is we'll hit the skinny pink line as the skinny pink line comes down, and then we will drop lower for AAVE against BTC. In my opinion, based on what I see on the charts. Of course, the reverse could be true in a sense that if we see a break of the resistance, we see a break of the skinny pink line, and if we continue much higher, close to taking out the highs here, but not taking it out, and then we come back down for a correction, then yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this could be a very big, gigantic squeeze for more upside. However, it all depends upon the wills of BTC, whether if we continue higher or not for AAVE. It all depends upon BTC. Anyway, we still have a target over here for AAVE at 0.003132. Are we gonna hit targets? We're gonna have to wait and see how things go. But we're already under the skinny pink line, and when you're under the skinny pink line, more likely than not, we're gonna spend some time under it. So be very, very careful about staying in a trade for AAVE long or opening trades towards the long side for AAVE. If anything, yeah, potentially there could be more downside to come for AAVE against BTC, right? This is really a head and shoulders. You can see it, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. More likely than not, the direction will be down for AAVE. So be very, very careful. AAVE against USDT. So here we are for AAVE against USDT. Okay, AAVE against USDT looks more bullish compared to AAVE against BTC, in the sense that if we were to pull a resistance line over here, then this would be the support. So more likely than not, we could see AAVE form some sort of a falling channel completion and then pump. We break higher for AAVE against USDT. Absolutely possible. But then again, we're already under the skinny pink line. So if anything, more likely than not, there should be more downside for AAVE against USDT. But again, we're watching things very closely. If AAVE breaks the resistance, breaks the skinny pink line, goes really, really high, without taking out the highs over here, and after that, we complete something like an A, B, and then we come down for a C, right, going back under the skinny pink line, and then we go back up above the skinny pink line for a D, and then we get an E, and then boom, sayonara bitches, and then AAVE goes to the moon. It all depends upon the wills of AAVE. We're still monitoring things very closely. We're not so sure what kind of chart pattern we're gonna get, so be very, very careful about going to a trade too soon for AAVE against USDT and against BTC as well.